2026 is your year. No excuses, no waiting, no distractions. This is the moment where everything changes. Right now, you have the chance to take full control of your life. Not someday, not next week. Today, if you commit, by the end of 2026, you won't just look back and smile. You look back and realize you became unstoppable. You became the version of yourself that others only dream about. And here's the truth. Discipline isn't about motivation or willpower. It's not about forcing yourself to do things you hate. It's about creating systems, habits, and a mindset so strong that success becomes inevitable. It's about setting up your environment, your schedule, and your actions in a way that makes failure nearly impossible. And that's exactly what we're going to do today. Step by step, I'm going to break it down for you. Every single tip, every single strategy is designed to help you lock in, take control, and dominate 2026 like never before. By the time we finish, you'll know exactly what to do, how to do it, and how to make sure you actually do it every single day. No fluff, no filler, only action, only results. So get ready, because this is not just another guide. This is your blueprint for making 2026 the best year of your life. Step 1, start with your vision. Your journey begins with clarity. Ask yourself, what does my best year look like? Visualize it in detail, not just, I want to be rich or fit. Get specific. How much money will you make? What's your body looking like? Who are you becoming? Write it down. Create a vision board. Seeing your future makes discipline easier. Your brain now has a target to lock onto. Pro tip. Every morning, spend 5 minutes imagining your 2026 self. Feel it, smell it, see it, act like it already exists. Step 2, build a morning routine that sets the tone. Your day shapes your life. If you start lazy, the whole day follows. Wake up early. Even 5 a.m. makes a difference. Start with movement, push-ups, stretches, or a short run. Hydrate immediately. Then do something high value. Read, journal, or plan your day. Discipline is momentum. Your morning routine builds it before the world hits you. Example, I start with 10 push-ups, drink water, write down 3 priorities, and meditate for 5 minutes. By 7 a.m., my mind and body are ready for the day. Step 3, break goals into daily action. Big goals overwhelm you. That's why most fail. Instead, reverse engineer them. If your goal is to get shredded, what do you need to do today? Work out, meal prep, sleep well. If your goal is money, what's today's micro action? Call 1 client. Send 1 email. Discipline is doing what you must every day without relying on motivation. Pro tip, use the 1% better every day principle. Small actions compound like crazy by December. Step 4, master your time. Time is your most valuable asset. And if you waste it, nothing else matters. Track your day for a week. See where time leaks. Social media scrolling, Netflix binges, cut them ruthlessly. Use time blocks, 2 hours deep work, 1 hour skill, 30-minute admin tasks. Guard your hours like a vault. Example, I block 6 a.m. to 8 a.m. for content creation. No phone, no distraction. It's my golden hours and the most productive part of my day. Step 5, build bulletproof habits. Discipline is habits, not willpower. Willpower runs out. Habits don't. Start small. Want to read more? Start with 5 pages a day. Want to work out? Start with 5 push-ups. Stack habits. After brushing your teeth, do 5 push-ups. After coffee, write 3 lines in your journal. Pro tip, use triggers and rewards. Trigger, after brushing teeth. Action, 5 push-ups. Reward, small mental pat on the back. Before you know it, habits stick automatically. Step 6, eliminate toxic influences. Your environment shapes your discipline. Friends, apps, notifications, clutter all affect your focus. Surround yourself with winners, not whiners. Turn off distractions, social media, notifications, random apps. Clean your space. A clean mind starts with a clean environment. Example, I deleted apps that steal my attention. I keep my phone in another room while working. My focus doubled instantly. Step 7, use accountability and social pressure. Discipline alone is hard. Accountability makes it easier. Tell someone your goal. Daily or weekly check-in. Even better, Join a community of high achievers. Social pressure can drive results faster than self-motivation. Pro tip: find an accountability partner. Report your progress every morning. Your brain hates letting others down. Use it. Step 8. Reward yourself smartly. Discipline doesn't mean being miserable. Rewards reinforce behavior. Finish a big task? Take 10 minutes to relax. Hit your weekly goal? Treat yourself to something small. Rewards build a positive feedback loop for consistent action. Example: I finish a 2-hour deep work session. I allow myself 5 minutes of YouTube scroll. It's controlled, purposeful, and keeps me consistent. Step 9. Learn to say no. Every yes has a cost. Every yes to distractions is a no to your goals. Learn to say no to parties, random plans, extra screen time. Your energy is limited. Spend it on what moves the needle in 2026. Pro tip: practice this daily. It's empowering. Your calendar becomes your weapon. Step 10. Track progress relentlessly. Discipline requires feedback. Track your results every day. Journal your wins, mistakes, and lessons. Measure fitness, income, habits, whatever matters most. Seeing progress motivates you to continue. Example: I track workouts, meals, content posted, money earned. At the end of each week, I review. It shows me what works and what doesn't. Step 11. Mindset over motivation. Motivation is temporary. Discipline lasts forever. You can't rely on feeling like it today. Decide that action is non-negotiable. Even on lazy days, do something small. Your brain will follow your actions, not your feelings. Psychological trigger: use if-then rules. If I don't feel like working out, then I still do 10 push-ups. Small wins trigger momentum. Step 12. Review, adjust, and repeat. At the end of each month, review everything. What worked? What failed? Adjust your routines, habits, and goals. Discipline is not rigid. It's a system you continuously refine. 2026 is about progress, not perfection. Every month, you'll get closer to your ultimate self. Pro tip: write down your lessons learned. Use them to make the next month 10x better. There you have it. 12 steps to get locked in and make 2026 the best year of your life. Discipline isn't easy, but it's simple. Systems, habits, and relentless action are all it takes. Start today, not tomorrow. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more glow mode guides. Remember, your future self is watching. Make them proud. 2026 is yours. Now go claim it.